Hey everybody, it's Stephanie, the Midwest Seller. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020, and I'm going to share with you items that I sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Etsy the last 2 weeks, which would be September 1st through September 15th, 2020. I had 2 international sales this time around, and my sales gross total was just under $590. So I hope you stick around and see what's sold. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate all the recent subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. So let's get started. The first item was a Miracle Wear Muslin Serenity blanket. I took an offer for $20 on this item, and it shipped off to North Carolina. This was a bulk buy purchase for me direct from the company, and I have about 3 tubfuls left. The second item here was a pair of Dr. Scholl's gold wedge slippers. I took an offer of $20 on these. This shipped out to Washington. This is the second time I've sold this. The first time around, the person did not pay, so I just relisted them and sold them again. This next item here is a Dental Duty Professional Oral Care Tongue Cleaner. I picked this up for $1 at my local Ohio Liquidation Pros company and sold it for $12, and that shipped off to Puerto Rico. This next item coming up is an estate sale find. It is a hand-turned vintage round wooden stool. It was really adorable. The person, whoever made this, could tell they really took a lot of care and pride in making this item. And I had it out there for about $120. I took an offer on this for $90, and that shipped off to Illinois. The buyer paid about $33 to have it shipped. I packed it really well, and hopefully it'll get there in one piece and no problems. Such a cute little stool. This next item here is just a Life is Good t-shirt, real basic long sleeve t-shirt. Took an offer on this one for $15, and that shipped off to the state of Virginia. This next item coming up was a pair of maternity pants from Gap Maternity, pair of denim jeans, and I took an offer on this item for $28, and that shipped to Wyoming. This next item here is a pair of shoes. They were Chaco Iona lace floral shoes. They were a size US women's 9, and I took an offer on these pair of shoes for $50. They were really cute, very nice, and they shipped off to Indiana. This next item is a universal replacement coffee carafe. I sold this for $19.97. I did have free shipping on this item. It shipped off to Maine. The package was pretty beat up, but it was just shelfware. I purchased this at the Salvation Army for less than $2. And it had everything still, the paperwork, everything was sealed. It was brand new, in great condition. The next item was a pair of Vivo Barefoot Oxford Loafer shoes. These were handcrafted. I took an offer on these for $80. I believe I had it for right over $100 listed on eBay. Shipped off to Australia. They paid about $27.75 to ship it to them. And the next item here was a pair of Jag jeans, relaxed boyfriend style cut. These sold for $21.99, and this shipped right up to the state of Michigan here. Okay, so the next pair of shoes coming up was another international sale. They are the Fit Flop Loosh slip-on sandals. They were a metallic silver. I took an offer for $40 on these shoes, and they went to the city of Taichung City in Taiwan. I believe that's how you pronounce Taichung City. And he paid about $25 to have it shipped there, so hopefully he will get them soon. All right, the next item, the very last item on eBay, was a Miracle Wear Muslin Swaddle 2-pack. She wanted all 3 packages that I had left, and she asked if I would take $18 for the pack of 3, for the set of 3. Each package had 2 in there, so she got 6 blankets for $18, and they did ship off to Georgia. The next item here is from Poshmark. Poshmark Polo Ralph Lauren black top took an offer on this for $9. That shipped up to Dallas, Texas. Over, I guess I should say. It shipped over to Dallas, Texas. And it was a really nice condition shirt, t-shirt. This next pair of jeans was from American Eagle. They were a pair of skinny jeans. I sold these just for $13 and they shipped to the state of California. I've had these for a long time. You can tell because my background, I don't use that fur rug anymore. It got fur everywhere. All right, this next item was Motherhood Maternity Jogger Pant. These sold for $23 and they shipped up to Michigan. I typically do not use stock photos, but in this case, I took a chance and went ahead and put one out there because the photo that I took, it just did not show the pants in a good way. You can see here, this is my photo. No matter what I did to these pants, they just did not look good. So I decided to go ahead and do a stock photo on that. And I typically don't do that. Okay, this next item was a skirt. And this was from Ann Taylor. No, it was not. This item was Talbot's. Talbot's skirt. It was a floral skirt, A-line shape. This sold for full asking price of $29. Really excited about that. And that shipped up. No, that stayed right here in Ohio. All right, the next items were Etsy. The first item was a vintage rattan covered coaster set. These were super, super nice, in great condition. I picked these up at the last half hour of an estate sale. I only had them listed for less than a week and sold them for $22, and they went to Portland, Oregon. Okay, the next item here was Vermont Country Store Pajamas. These were super soft, very, very nice condition. I sold these for $28 and they shipped to the state of Oregon. All right, the next item, my very last item on Etsy was my Down on the Farm bandana that I had made. This was in my Pup Cycled Vintage Etsy store, and I sold that for $12, and that stayed right here in Ohio. They just bought a dog named Rooster, so it was very fitting for them. So that was a total of $589.96 over 3 platforms there for the last 2 weeks. I sold on eBay $414.96 with an average selling price of $34.58. On Poshmark, I sold $113 with an average selling price of $18.83. And on Etsy, I sold 3 items for $62, totaling with the average selling price of $20.66. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support and all those subscribers out there. Thank you so much. Hope you have a good week, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.